Hello friends, in today's video we will be talking about investment fluctuation reserve at the time of admission of a partner, right? So here I am taking the help of the flashcards. Along with that is there a story. So let's talk firstly about a story. Story is about a gardener who is to water the trees. Here we are having two trees which are to be watered. Supposition is here that each tree is requiring 2.5 liter of water. He has a bucket which can carry 5 liter of water. He is having a shortage of water, so if he uses this water for watering the trees, in that very situation he will be shortage of water at his home. This is my supposition here for this particular case understanding. Now let's see the first case for the flashcard is there. That is, in the first day, on the first day, very first day, what has happened that there was a total case that trees got rainwater. It was a rainy day, so the trees were not in requirement of any water from the bucket because they got their water from the rain. So now this bucket of water is free to use by the gardener as he wants it to be used. So he can carry it at his home, and the way he want to make use of he can. So here is the first case of your IFR through flashcard. What's written over here in the flashcard, we got a situation in the balance sheet. Investment fluctuation reserve is shown on the liability side with rupees 2 lakh, and investments are shown on the asset side with rupees 12 lakh. The situation is, if the question is silent, the question has given nothing about IFR usage, or if the investment's market value is given same as given in the balance sheet, that is 12 lakh here and 12 lakh here, there is no change given. In that very case, same, now you have to keep in your mind what have happened, that if the tree got water from the rain, then the bucket was free to be used by the gardener, right? So here rupees 2 lakh IFR is free for the partners to be distributed among themselves, right? So IFR is shown on the liability side when nothing is mentioned at the time of the admission. So IFR account needs to be debited for the journal. So what journal will become? Investment fluctuation reserve account debit. How much was the reserve? 2 lakh. This is now a free reserve which could be used by the partner. The supposition here is the old partners A and B are there whose profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 2. So this total 2 lakh rupees is divided in the ratio 3 is to 2. 2 lakh multiplied by 3 divided by 5 is 1 lakh 20,000. And how much B got? That is 2 lakh into 2 divided by 5 is 80,000, right? So IFR is given to the partner. So in the new balance sheet of the firm, there would be no IFR amount shown, but on another hand, the asset side, full value of investment would be taken at 12 lakh because there was no change. So here is the first case discussed. Now we are to discuss about the second situation. Now, the second case, we are presuming that it was not a rainy day, rather, it was a sunny day. And on that very day, as the trees need water, so this 5 liter bucket was used to water the trees. So the waters were given full 5 liter water because each of the tree here needed water, that is 2.5. So full bucket was used in watering them. So nothing was left with the gardener to take back to his home. Okay, so now come along this situation from your flashcard here. Now in the flashcard, what is the situation we have presumed? The situation is this, that IFR is same of rupees 2 lakh here again, and investments are of value, that is rupees 12 lakh, right? And it is given in the question that the market value of the investment is now rupees 10 lakh. So investment whose value was shown in the books of accounts at 12 lakh, now its market value is 10 lakh, so there is a loss of rupees 2 lakh. This 2 lakh rupees loss is to be met from investment fluctuation reserve, because reserve was kept to meet the loss of difference in the investment's market value and the given cost price, right? So here there is a difference of rupees 12 lakh minus 10 lakh, 2 lakh, that is the loss, and that is met from IFR. So investment fluctuation reserve account debit, that is rupees 2 lakh, was used to write off investment to investment account with rupees 2 lakh. There was a loss of rupees 2 lakh in the value of investment, because in the new balance sheet, the asset side investment would be shown with the value of rupees 10 lakh. Investment carries a debit balance of rupees 10 lakh in the new balance sheet, but in the old balance sheet it was with 12 lakh. So there was a loss of rupees 2 lakh. The loss on the assets is shown by giving a credit to them. So here investment account is credited with rupees 2 lakh, but IFR is fully used to write off the difference in the value of investment. So no IFR balance is left in the new balance sheet also, and there was nothing left for the old partners to be distributed among themselves. Now we come to the third case. The third case, we'll consider the story again. Now we are considering a very sunny day, and on this sunny day the tree's requirement of white water, which we presumed here to be total of 5 liter, is now increased to be 6 liters. So position is there that today, because it was a very sunny day, so instead of 5 liter of water they need 6 liter of water. So if they need 6 liter of water, 5 liter is already available with the gardener, and 1 liter extra is needed, which he is supposed to bring from his home to water the plants. So I suppose the case is clear to you in this very situation. So let's go. Now, if there is a loss on the investment value is with rupees 3 lakh, but how much is investment fluctuation reserve that was available with the firm, that was of only 2 lakh. So we have reserve in our hands with rupees 2 lakh to meet out a total loss in our asset value, that is of 3 lakh. So here is a difference of 1 lakh rupees, which 1 lakh rupees as gardener has brought from their home. Here the partners will bring from an account, which account is known as revaluation account. Losses are debited to which account here, that is revaluation account. So revaluation account is debited for a loss of rupees 1 lakh. Now, in the new balance sheet, IFR was fully used to write off the value of the investment of rupees 3 lakh, and extra 1 lakh used from revaluation account, because revaluation account was debited here. To close the revaluation account, we need to credit this account now. So revaluation account is credited among old partners in their old profit sharing ratio, which we presumed here it's to be 3:2. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to revaluation account. The total loss of rupees 1 lakh was divided into the ratio of rupees 3 in the ratio 3:2, that is 60,000 rupees and 40,000 rupees here. So this is third case. Now coming along with the fourth case, where it is supposed to be that it was a windy day, not a perfect sunny day, due to which the water requirement of trees was not total 5 liter, rather it is presumed here, let's suppose that they need only a total of 3 liter. Their requirement was less because it was a windy day, though they have a savage of water from the previous day. So there was a total requirement of 3 liters of water. So what was the water availability? 5 liters of water. So gardener out of 5 liter used 3 liter for watering the plants and 2 liter he get back to his house. Okay, so here he saved some water for his home. So taking along the same situation, let's see over here. The investment fluctuation reserve again was present with 2 lakh, but investment value to be shown in the new balance sheet was of rupees 10 lakh 80,000. In the old balance sheet it was 12 lakh. Now in the new balance sheet it was to be shown with 10 lakh 80,000. So how much was the loss from 10 lakh to 10 lakh 80,000? There was a loss of 1 lakh 20,000 in the investment value. But total investment fluctuation reserve present with us was of 2 lakh. So 2 lakh when used for investment 1 lakh 20,000 give us a saving here. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 20,000, there was a total saving of rupees 80,000. This is the free reserve. Now why it is a free reserve? Because it has nothing to make a loss provision. If investment value have reduced by the less value than your available reserve, then the difference is treated as free reserve, which is distributed among old partner old ratio. Here 80,000 would be distributed among old partner old ratio, which we presumed here to be 3:2. So this total amount of 80,000 was divided in the ratio 3 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 5. We got a value 48,000 and 32,000 here. So this is our fourth case of solution where there was no investment fluctuation reserve left in the new balance sheet and investment was in the new balance sheet with rupees 10 lakh 80,000. Now fifth case is to be discussed. For the fifth case to be discussed here, we have presumed that the trees have got enough water from the rain itself. So bucket is also available with the gardener, and even the trees have got much water than the required from the rain itself. So there is excess water with the trees which have also been compiled by the gardener in a small pool that is to be used for watering the other plants. So here is the situation that IFR, which was presumed to be of rupees 2 lakh, and investment value which was of rupees 12 lakh in the old balance sheet, is carrying a market value higher than the given value. So in the new balance sheet, investment would be shown with a total value of 15 lakh and there would be zero IFR balance present in the new balance sheet. Now investment value have increased with 3 lakhs, so that means IFR is a free reserve totally. There is no loss against IFR. So this total IFR is a free reserve is distributed among old partner old ratio and increase in the value of investment. When investments, are assets, always carries a debit balance, so increase in asset is recorded by debiting asset. So here investment is debited with a difference of rupees 3 lakh because asset value have increased from the old balance sheet. So investment is debited and the profit is transferred to which account here? That is revaluation account. Now this revaluation account which we have opened by credited now needs to be debited for closing. So revaluation account debit with 3 lakh would be distributed among old partner old ratio. What was their old ratio? That was here 3:2, right? So it was 3:2 ratio, among which we have distributed this total sum of rupees 3 lakh. So here are the total 5 cases of your investment fluctuation reserve which we have discussed in this particular video. Kindly follow Accountitude, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Keep scoring.